Renaming column names in Pandas. I want to change the column labels of a Pandas data frame from 2.
Just assign it to the .columns attribute.
Rename specific columns. Use the df.rename function and refer the columns to be renamed. Not all the columns have to be renamed. Minimal code example. The following methods all work and produce the same output. Remember to assign the result back, as the modification is not in place. Alternatively, specify in place equals true. From v0.25, you can also specify errors equals raise to raise errors if an invalid column to rename is specified. See v0.25 rename docs. Reassign column headers. Use df.set_axis with axis equals 1 and in place equals false to return a copy. This returns a copy, but you can modify the data frame in place by setting in place equals true. This is the default behavior for versions, equals 0.24 but is likely to change in the future. You can also assign headers directly.
The rename method can take a function, for example,
as documented in working with text data.